Sam Kariuki lesson 2 on Facebook ads training. So today I'm going to show you how to add people in your business portfolio. The first lesson we created the business portfolio. Now I'm going to show you how to add people there. So number one, what we said last time is that you'll have the business portfolio that you've created, and you'll have your personal business portfolio. So make sure that you're using the one that you've just created for your business. Now, when you go to settings, you can click on settings. When you go to settings, you will see something like this. To understand your business information, you can just click on business portfolio info. You'll be able to see your ID. This is the ID you'll be sharing with your clients. If you're an agency, you'll be sharing with your clients your business ID so that they can share different information or different assets with you, with your business manager, so that you can manage. Now, once you create, you will have full control of your business portfolio, and it's advisable that you invite another person so that when you're unable to access it, somebody else could have. So basically, all what you need to do is to write their email here, assign them access levels. So here probably I can even assign myself. And then click next. Let me remove this. So click next, then give that person full control. Then go to next. You can assign them pages if you already have pages, but for you will have nothing here. You will have no pages. And I'll show you how to create pages and assign people pages. So that's how you assign people. You invite people to your business. Then you can add partners. So all what you need to do is click on add partner, give a partner access to your assets, or ask a partner to assign you their assets. So you just need to, if you are giving an agency access, just click here, paste the business manager ID, and they give you their access. Or you can ask a partner, get started, go through the same process, enter details, business ID. Basically, you could give business ID the same way I have there. So that's how you give you assign you give your partner accesses. For pages, so I'm assuming that you have no page at the moment. So you come to pages section, you click on add a page. You can add an existing page, you can request shared access to a page, or you can create a page. So if you have no any other page, you can come here, create a page, go through this process, create the page that way. Add account. Once you have created a page, you can assign partner. You can assign that page to a partner. You can add people there. So you can add people. You can connect assets. All those are things that you can do. The next thing is add account. You can add an account there. Create. You can create. You can request. You can do all these things there. And then you can also give people access. You can assign people. You can assign a partner, and you can connect people to that. You can also add Instagram account, WhatsApp account, data sets. These days, pixels are called data sets. So you can create data sets. You can give people data sets, and all these other information that you can do using Business Manager. So I hope that gives you an overview and helps you add people, create pages, create ad accounts that way. So in the next lesson,